Well, this is what it look like. View from a cliff of Melissa passed through. Now I can see. I can't even see the sea. I know I could see the sea from here before. There's the sea. Wow. Look at that. See that? See that? See that? That's what happened with storm named Melissa. Give you a aerial view. Go up on the house top. This is it. 360 view. The sun is on that yellow spot. Is the sun up there, so 360 view of what Melissa did. I just walk across here, so up on the house top, you know. I just walk across. Don't creating any further escalation damage. Oh boy. See? This is it. Put up my selfie stick. See how far I can go. See that? Don't know how far I can see over there, so. But now I go on the top of it. I can, but I just don't want to go on it. See? 360 view of Melissa Ross in this side. .360 view. Yeah, see now I can see everything over there now. I can see clear now, eh? We can see clear now. And some more trees gonna cut down there, so look at the sea over there, so. And this is my top balcony where I need to fix up with some railings. But see, all the trees, even the big guango tree down there, so was falling. Very strong, powerful tree. See there the bird, see that bird? The ball plate. They are here. Meat birds, see? See the ball plate in the background, they're flying, yeah. Lots of them.